How to buy more storage on iPhone or how to buy more iPhone storage. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Misnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy more iPhone storage. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to buy more iPhone storage, you can simply first open up your settings on your iPhone. Once you open up settings, you want to simply tap on the iCloud option here. First you want to tap on the profile here on your profile, and then tap on the iCloud option right here, and then you can see the option that says manage account storage. Right, you want to tap on it. Now you can see that I have 5 GB plan, but in order to buy more storage, you want to tap on change storage plan first here. And once you tap on it here, you'll be able to select a particular plan that you wish to upgrade to. And once you tap on it, you can simply tap on upgrade option there, and then go ahead and go through the prompts and make the payments, and you will be able to buy more iPhone storage. So this way you can buy more iPhone storage. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.